Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we have started with the exercise 11.2 and we have done already the addition and the subtraction related to the capacity of measurement. Okay, sorry, measurement of capacity. ओके सो हम ऑलरेडी मेजरमेंट ऑफ कैपेसिटी कर चुके हैं जिसमें कि हमने उसकी एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन वी हैव डन एंड वी हैव डन द कैलकुलेशन वाइज वी हैव डन द multiplication and the division as well. Okay, so today we are going to start with the statements of the same. So as we have started already with exercise 11.2 and today we are going to continue with the same and we are going to do the statement sums. Okay, so class, kindly open your books at page number 11.2. Sorry, the exercise now is 11.2 and the page number is 123. So class, kindly open your books at page number 123. That is exercise 11.2. Exercise is 11.2. This is the exercise number. Okay. So let's begin with the question. Here the question is 3 large containers of water, each holding 15 liter, 500 milliliter are poured in a water tank. How much water is in the tank? Okay, so there are 3 large containers of water. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 water containers हैं बड़े जिनकी capacity है. There are 3 water tankers and the capacity of each tanker is 15 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, and वो जो तीनों का तीनों वाटर टैंकर है उनका सारा का पानी उससे भी बड़े बहुत बड़ा टैंक है उसमें डाल रहे हैं. Okay, so the question here is that how much total water is in the टैंक नाउ, मतलब जो बड़ा वाला टैंक है उसमें अब कितना पानी आफ्टर दे हैव पोर्ड द थ्री वाटर टैंकर. तो मतलब 3 बड़े बड़े टैंकर हैं. द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ईच टैंकर इज 15 लीटर एंड 500 मिलीलीटर. तो उन्होंने वो जो तीनों 15 लीटर 500 मिलीलीटर के जितने भी तीनों कंटेनर थे उसका सारा पानी एक और बड़े कंटेनर में डाल दिया. तो अब ये बताना है कि जब वो तीनों का कंटेनर का पानी हमने एक बड़े कंटेनर में डाल दिया, सो दैट हाउ मच वाटर इज नाउ इन दैट बिग कंटेनर. Okay, so there are 2 containers, just keep in mind there are 3 of the similar size and the one that is the biggest one. Okay, so the statement for the sum will be, okay, capacity of small water tanker. Okay, देखिए 3 large containers of water each holding 15 liter and poured in a water. How much water is in the tank? Okay. So now let's write down the capacity of water. That is question number 3. Question number is 3. Capacity of one water tank कितनी है? दैट इज 15 लीटर 500 milliliter. So this is the capacity of one waterlet. Okay, this is the capacity of one water tank and we have also had total containers कितने हैं? 3. There are 3 waters container are there. So कैपेसिटी हम निकालेंगे ऑफ 3 वाटर टैंक. तो तीनों की कितनी होगी? अगर तीनों की हमारे पास कैपेसिटी आ जाएगी देन वी कैन इजिली कैलकुलेट द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर दैट इज पुट इनटू द बिगर कंटेनर. अगर हमारे पास तीनों कंटेनर की टोटल क्वांटिटी आ जाएगी तो हमें पता लग जाएगा कि हमने उन तीनों कंटेनर्स में से कितना टोटल पानी हमने जो बड़े वाले टैंकर में डाला है वो डाला है. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. सो द कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन वाटर टैंक इज 15 लीटर 500 milliliter. Capacity of 3 water tank that we have to calculate. calculate here. So now we are going to calculate the capacity of the 3 water tank. How? By multiplying the capacity of 1 water tank with 3. अगर हम इसको जो एक की कैपेसिटी उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we will easily get the capacity of the 3 water tank. Okay, so that means we have to multiply 15 liter 500 milliliter multiply by 3. Now this we have to do, but as you can see the capacity is given in 2 units. 2 यूनिट में दी है लीटर एंड मिलीलीटर में, बट हमें एक में चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट हम क्या करेंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू डू द कन्वर्जन फर्स्ट. जो हमने that we have already done in the addition and the subtraction, same like that we are going to do in this also. So first of all we are going to do the conversion, okay, and after that we are going to multiply. So 15 liter 500 milliliter. So first of all we are going to do the conversion. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 15 liter, 15 multiplied by 1000. If you multiply 15 with 1000, it will be converted into milliliter. Plus 500, that is already in milliliter. ये already milliliter में है, so इसको convert करने की जरूरत है? No. Okay, now let's 15 multiplied by 1000 will be 15,000 plus 500. Okay, now this 15,000 is already in milliliter. ये भी हमारा milliliter में है, तो हम यहाँ पे एक milliliter लिखेंगे. 15,000 ml plus 500 ml. Now both are in the ml, that means both are in milliliter. Let's add it. 15,000 plus 500 milliliter will be 15,500 milliliter. Okay, so now of conversion we got the answer, that is 15,500 milliliter. So this is the answer that we have got after conversion. But the main question is still left कि हमें तीनों की कैपेसिटी निकालनी है. That we are going to find out by multiplying the 15 liter 500 milliliter or the converted quantity or the converted capacity. जो हमने conversion करके capacity निकाली है, that is 15,500 milliliter. इसको हम किससे multiply करेंगे? 3. So let's multiply it. We have to multiply the converted capacity. 15,500 multiply by 3. Okay, now let's multiply it. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, plus 1 is 16. 1 will be carried here. 3 ones are 3, plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 46,500 milliliter. 46,500 milliliter. और अगर हमें देखिए क्वेश्चन हमारा लीटर और मिलीलीटर में दिया है, हमारा आंसर अभी मिलीलीटर में ही है. सो अब इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिलीलीटर और लीटर में. हाउ? अगेन लास्ट 3 डिजिट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अ मिलीलीटर एंड जो उसके आगे बचे हुए हैं दैट विल बी लीटर. ओके, सो द आंसर विल बी 46 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, so this is the capacity of these 3 containers. ठीक है, तीनों जो वाटर टैंक हैं उनकी कैपेसिटी कितनी आ गई? दैट इज 46 liter 500 milliliter. But as you know, this is a statement sum. The solution sentence will always be there. Okay, that I am going to write after erasing this. Okay. So देखिए in the question, after this you have to, or you can write here, therefore 46 liter 500 milliliter water is put. No, the question is water is in the tank. Therefore 46 liter 500 milliliter water is in the tank. Okay, so you can write it like this also. Okay, I'll just write a solution sentence here. So the question will be completed here. Okay, so this is the first. After this, you have to do this, and at last you have to write a solution sentence. Therefore, 46 liter 500 milliliter water is in the tank. Okay, this is the solution sentence that you have to write. Okay, therefore 46 liter 500 milliliter water is in the tank. ओके सो देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या था हमारे पास, एक वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी दी थी और बोला था कि 3 वाटर टैंक है. ओके एंड वो उन तीनों की कैपेसिटी सेम है और उन तीनों की कैपेसिटी का जितना भी टोटल कैपेसिटी, उन तीनों कंटेनर्स वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी का जो टोटल वाटर है वो उन्होंने एक बड़े कंटेनर में डाल दिया या बड़े टैंक में डाल दिया है. एंड नाउ हमें बताना है कि जो वो बड़ा वाला टैंक है तो उसमें अब टोटल पानी कितना है आफ्टर जब व्हेन दे केप्ट द वाटर ऑफ दीज 3 कंटेनर्स इनटू दैट बिग कंटेनर. तो इन तीनों कंटेनर का पानी जब बड़े वाले टैंक में डाल दिया तो उसके बाद अब उसके अंदर कितना पानी है. सो दैट मीन्स इफ वी फाइंड आउट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दीज 3 टैंक्स वी कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट द वाटर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट द बिगर टैंकर. Okay, so first of all what we have done here, the capacity of the first one water tank was given, that was 15 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, the capacity of 3 water tank, the capacity of 3 water tank that we have calculated, okay, by multiplying it with 3. But as you know the question is given in the liters and the milliliters. Okay, so for that first of all we have to do the conversion. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, conversion, that we have already done. 15 liter 500 milliliter, as you 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 15 is in liter and 500 हमारा ऑलरेडी मिलीलीटर में है. सो दैट मीन्स हमें सिर्फ 15 लीटर को कन्वर्ट करना है. उसको हम कैसे करेंगे, बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 1000. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विथ 1000 हम उसको इजिली कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. So after multiplying 15 with 1000 we got 15,000 milliliter and the 500 is already in milliliter, and after adding both the quantities we got the total answer, that is 15,500 milliliter. So this is the conversion, मतलब this is the capacity of one water tank after conversion. देखिए ये हमारे पास एक वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी दी हुई थी इन द लीटर एंड द मिलीलीटर, एंड हियर इट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ वन वाटर टैंक इन मिलीलीटर ओनली. ओके अभी हमारे पास ये 1 वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी है जस्ट इन मिलीलीटर. तीनों की निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लीकेशन वी गॉट द आंसर, दैट इज 46,500 milliliter. सो और 46 liter 500 milliliter. सो एट लास्ट वी विल राइट डाउन देयरफॉर, क्योंकि तीनों वाटर टैंक का पानी उसमें डाल दिया तो तीनों की कैपेसिटी के इक्वल पानी होगा उसमें. तो देयरफॉर 46 liter 500 milliliter water is in the tank. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3 of exercise 11.2. Okay, you can just pause the video here and write down the solution. Okay, chaliye moving next to the fourth one. Let's move to the fourth question. So question number 4 is 15 empty jars are to be filled with mixed fruit jam. How much jam will be required if each can hold 2 liter 250 milliliter? Okay, so the question is that there are 15 empty jars. तो यहाँ पे 15 खाली जार हैं and the capacity of each jar is 2 liters 250 milliliter. So the question is कि total how much jam is required so that they can easily fill all the 15 jars. Okay, question क्या है, there are 15 jars. Okay, the 15 jars are there and the capacity of each jar is 2 liter 250 milliliter. और अब ये जो 15 के 15 jars है इसको हमने किससे फिल करना है, we have to fill it with mixed fruit jam. ओके सो दैट क्वेश्चन इज दैट कितनी जैम चाहिए ताकि ये 15 के 15 जार्स है जिनकी कैपेसिटी 2 लीटर्स 250 मिलीलीटर है वो पूरी तरह से कंप्लीटली फिल हो जाए. तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन हियर. Okay, so that means if we calculate the total quantity of the 15 jars, you can easily find out the total quantity of jam that is required टू फिल दैट जार। तो हमारे पास अगर उन तीनों जार 15 जार्स हैं, उनकी टोटल कैपेसिटी आ जाए तो हमें पता लग जाएगा कि हमें टोटल कितनी मिक्स फ्रूट जैम चाहिए ताकि वो सारे के सारे जार्स हैं जो कम्प्लीटली फिल हो जाए। ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, बट बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू इरेज इट। Okay, the one important thing is here that beta here you have to do the conversion. Okay, the conversion is in your topic, so that's why it is required that you must do the conversion. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so the capacity of one jar is given, that is 2 liter 250 milliliter, and the capacity of 15 jars that we have to calculate here. Okay, so the question number 4 is capacity of one jar is equal to 2 liter 250 milliliter. Capacity of one jar is 2 liters 250 milliliter. 15 jars की निकालनी है। Capacity of 15 jars that we have to calculate. So for that we have to multiply the capacity of one jar, that is 2 liters 250 milliliter with 15. Okay. So let's multiply. Okay, again first of all what we are going to do is we are going to do the conversion. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Conversion. So let's do the conversion. The question is 2 liter 250 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 2 will be multiplied with 1000 so that you can convert it into milliliter. So 2 को हम 1000 से multiply करेंगे, plus 250 is already in milliliter. No need to convert it. After multiplying 2 with 1000, we will get 2000. So what is this 2000? 2000 is milliliter. So 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter plus 250 milliliter. ओके, अब दोनों मिलीलीटर को हमने ऐड किया, द आंसर विल बी 2250 milliliter. So this is the capacity of each jar after conversion. So this is the capacity of each jar after conversion. Okay, now the capacity of 15 jars we have to calculate here. So let's calculate it by multiplying it with 15. 2250 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 will be here, 2 will be carried, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 will be carried here, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Okay, so the answer is, after multiplying 2250 with 5 we got 11250. Okay, now 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2 again. After adding it we will get the answer in milliliter. 0 5 7 3 3. So this is the capacity of 15 jars in milliliter. This is the capacity of 15 jars in milliliter. That is 33,750 milliliter or 33 liter 750 milliliter. This is the capacity of 15 jars. Okay, the solution sentence is still there that I am going to write after this solution. Okay, only the solution sentence is left. Okay, देखिए सेम बेटा, ये जो क्वेश्चंस अभी हमने थर्ड और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन किया है, इसमें अगर हम एक चीज कैलकुलेट करें तो हमारी ऑटोमेटिकली दूसरी चीज कैलकुलेट हो जा रही है. ओके देखिए जैसे क्वेश्चन पिछला क्वेश्चन था उसमें हमने तीनों वाटर टैंक की कैपेसिटी निकाली थी, तो हमें पता लग गया था कि टोटल वाटर कितना है बड़े वाले टैंक में। तो इन दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द 15 jars. So after calculating the capacity of 15 jars, we automatically we have calculated the total quantity of mixed fruit jam that is required to fill that 15 jars. So देखिए एक ही क्वेश्चन में एक ही कैलकुलेशन में दो चीजें इजीली हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. ओके क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ट्रिकी है बट the solution will be simple that is given here. Okay, so the question is very simple. The capacity of one jar is 2 liters 250 milliliter. The capacity of 15 jars that we have to calculate here. Okay, so 2 liters 250 milliliters, this is the question. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, now as your question is given in the liters and the milliliters, so we have to convert it into a single unit, that is in milliliter. For that we have to multiply for that we have to convert the liter into the milliliter, and we can calculate it only by multiplying it with 1000. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000 milliliter. 250 milliliter will be exactly same because that is already in milliliter. So after adding both we got the answer, that is 2250 milliliter. Okay, now this is the 2250 milliliter. This is the quantity or this is the capacity. Actually this is the capacity of a jar, of a single jar. Okay, in milliliter. अभी हमने ये एक जार की कैपेसिटी निकाली है मिलीलीटर में, अभी हमें 15 जार्स की निकालनी है. सो वो हम कैसे निकालेंगे, by multiplying it with 15. So after multiplying 2250, that is the capacity of one jar, with 15 we got the answer 33,750. So 33,750, this is the capacity of 15 jars in milliliter. ओके बट अगर हमने मिलीलीटर को कन्वर्ट किया लीटर और मिलीलीटर में तो हमारे पास क्या आया, दैट इज 33 liters 750 milliliter. So this is the capacity of the jar in the meters and the milliliters. Okay, this is the solution, but at last we have to write the solution sentence as well. So you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 4, but don't forget that you have to write the solution sentence also. That I'm going to write it after erasing this. Okay, so at last write down the solution sentence of the same question number 4 of exercise 11.2. Okay, so therefore the solution sentence is, therefore 33 liter 750 milliliter mixed fruit jam is required to fill the 15 jars. So therefore 33 liters 750 milliliter mixed fruit jam is required to fill the 15 jars. Okay, so this is the solution. देखिए हमने निकाला था 15 jars की कैपेसिटी, तो वो हमारी और भी क्या हो गई, दिस दैट इज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रूट जैम दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू फिल द 15 jars. So at last you will write it like this. Therefore 33 liters 750 milliliter mixed fruit jam is required to fill the 15 jars. So this is the solution sentence of the question number 4 of exercise 11.2. Okay, now moving next to the question number 5 of exercise 11.2. Rashmi needs 6 containers which can hold 15 liters 600 milliliter oil. Find the capacity of each container. The question number 5 is, रश्मि नीड 6 कंटेनर्स, रश्मि को 6 कंटेनर्स चाहिए विच कैन होल्ड 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल. सो जो उसको 6 कंटेनर्स चाहिए और वो 6 के 6 कंटेनर्स इकट्ठे, मतलब हम अगर उन सबकी इकट्ठे कैलकुलेट करें तो उस 6 के 6 कंटेनर्स के अंदर एटलीस्ट 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर ऑयल आना चाहिए उसकी कैपेसिटी उन 6 के 6 कंटेनर्स की. फाइंड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ ईच कंटेनर. सो हियर यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट कितनी कितनी कैपेसिटी के 6 कंटेनर्स लें सो दैट उसके अंदर 15 लीटर 600 मिलीलीटर जो ऑयल है वो आ जाए. सो दैट मीन्स द टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ 6 कंटेनर इज गिवन एंड यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ 1. सो फॉर दैट what we are going to do, we are going to do the division. Okay, the method is same, everything is same, but till conversion you have to do the same, but at last you have to calculate the capacity of each container by dividing the total quantity required with the total number of containers. Okay, so let's write down question number 5. The question number 5 is so total capacity or the total quantity of oil required. Okay, this is the question number 5. Total oil required. Total oil required is equal to, the total oil required is 15 liter 600 milliliter. Okay, number of containers is equal to 6. Question is how much, find the capacity of each container. Capacity of each container that we have to find. Capacity of each container that we have to find. वो हम कैसे करेंगे? By dividing 15 liter 600 milliliter with divided by 6. Okay, so 15 liter 600 milliliter. So first of all we will do the conversion. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 15 multiplied by 1000 plus 600 milliliter. That is 15,000 ml plus 600 ml. Okay, after adding the both we will get the answer 15,600 ml. So this is the total capacity of, so this is the total quantity of oil that is required, that is in milliliters, that is 15 liter 600 milliliter. Now we will calculate the capacity of each container by dividing the total capacity, that is milliliter. 15,600 milliliter divided by 6. ओके, इससे हम ये हर एक सिंगल कंटेनर की कैपेसिटी इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12 minus 3 we will bring down 6, 6 6 are 36 0 0. अगर हम इसको नीचे लेके आते हैं, सो कैन यू कैलकुलेट इट? नो. सो दैट मीन्स हम ये 2 zeros यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. सो द आंसर इज 2600 milliliter. Okay, so the answer is 2600 milliliter or 2 liter 600 milliliter. That is the capacity of or 2 liter 600 milliliter. Okay, I'll just write it again. 2600 milliliter or 2 liter 600 milliliter. Okay, सो देखिए हमारे पास टोटल ऑयल रिक्वायर्ड दैट वाज 15 लीटर 600 milliliter. Number of containers were 6. Capacity of each container that we have to calculate by dividing the total quantity of oil required with the total number of containers. So after conversion we got 15,600, and then after dividing we got the answer, that is 2,600 milliliter or 2 liter 600 milliliter. So what is this 2 liter 600 milliliter? This is the capacity, or this is the capacity of each container that is required. Okay, so at last we are going to write the solution sentence. So you can just pause the video here and write down the solution of question number 5. Okay, after this you have to write the solution sentence as well, that I am going to write here. The solution sentence will be, therefore, the solution sentence is therefore capacity of each container, therefore capacity of each container is 2 liter 600 milliliter. Okay, so this is the solution sentence. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next class. So till then everybody have a good day.